This is Artyom's.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. Meta's AI support agent just handed over the keys to the kingdom. We are looking at a massive security failure where an autonomous agent became the perfect tool for account takeovers. Let's start with the fact that Meta's AI support agent allowed attackers to bypass security simply by asking the bot bound new recovery emails to accounts on request. What's most interesting here is that the SOC never saw a single alert. Think about it, the agent is an authorized actor, so every action it took was logged as a legitimate transaction. Here's the key part: while MFA guards the login door, the recovery path was left wide open. This is what security researchers call the confused deputy, where a trusted system is tricked into spending its privileges on an attacker's behalf. This isn't just a meta problem, it is an architecture problem for any enterprise scam. Which brings us to the next story. And it is about the gap between AI hype and actual utility. We see a strange paradox where 75% of organizations say adoption is racing ahead, yet only 5% of companies report actual productivity gains. What does this mean in practice? It means most enterprises are trapped in pilot mode because agents lack shared memory. When one employee corrects an agent, Asana is attempting to solve this with an agentic work management platform that uses a shared context graph. Without this relational memory, every team member is essentially training a different version of the same agent, which leads to inconsistent realities and repeated mistakes. But the influence of AI agents is not just in the office. It is hitting the financial markets with surprising force. What's most interesting here is how AI is being used to expose critical vulnerabilities. Take the privacy coin Zcash, which plunged more than 40% overnight after a critical flaw was discovered using Anthropic's latest Opus 4.8 model. While that happens, Bitcoin has fallen below $60,000 for the first time since October 2024. Investors are not just fleeing due to rate hike fears, they are actively rotating capital out of crypto and into the red-hot AI trade. We are seeing a cycle where AI is simultaneously the primary investment engine and a tool that exposes the technical weaknesses of the Planka world. The common thread here is agency. Whether it is a support bot bypassing security or an enterprise tool lacking memory, the risk and the reward both live in how much power we give these systems. The goal for 2026 is simple: move the authorization gate outside the model. This was the Artyom's.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.